Welcome everybody to Devlog number 2 of DustFront minus Fortune. At the moment, what I've worked on today is the whole roaming feature, so we can roam and some of the UI, which isn't finished yet, so I want your opinion on the UI, but other than that, got it. So we'll just go through this. This is pretty much all just the roaming aspect. This goes for a few minutes. Just me wiring up the roaming, coding roaming, and then testing it in the scene. Now it's just basically saying it is allowed to roam, basically. Here's the test. You should be able to see the AI now roams, and I can click on it and I get a UI. That's like the old UI. I did change it. See how this here is for all the text, pretty much to allow the AI text to change based on what the roam is. If it's roaming or idle, which I'm going to change that. I want it to be more universal. So that will be changed eventually. Creating a roam variable. I'm going to just keep doing all this and see if I can get it. Should all start working eventually. I don't know why I casted to it, because I had a reference to it. So I don't know if I actually, yeah, I did. I created the /UI reference. I just wasn't using it. I did change it to be referenced a different way, so the way it is now isn't the finished version of the way it looks. I mean, now I'm making a hard reference. But it did have to change the reference a little bit for it to work. So now it works fine now. But it was referenced different from the start. The reference is pretty much, I'll just put itself into itself, so that's why it gets that blue error. It doesn't actually affect anything. To jump off that, that's when I get the get is roaming, and that's when I can plug that in to the branch pretty much. Well, yeah, equal to true. That should, if I remember, if it actually did work, it should allow roaming. So let's just let us run, and then I'll explain more if it needs more explaining. That literally is just the code for all the roaming stuff, or changing the text to how the roam looks. So yep, you see that works. You click on it, starts roaming. This is how the new UI looks right now. And then you've got the fire ability, then you've got the new hide tab, which isn't actually wired up yet or finished. But it's and you've got a build tab. None of this is like the correct thing. It's at the start of what I've got, pretty much. And now I'm just going to find look what I'm going to find. going to the scripting for the Alex status. It's literally just text layers over at the moment. It will be changed eventually to a more local way, and this code's gonna be a lot different. But till then, it's all just gonna be lined up this way for now, until I actually code the more public way of doing it. So it literally just press on the overlay and it gets the current status a different way. So that's gonna be the end of this video. And we do have a Discord server. If you want to join, I will link that in the description, or I will put a QR code. I'll have a QR code somewhere on the screen for you to scan and join the Discord server. We are working on a website and a Patreon, so I hope to see you all on that as well. So, thank you, and I'll see you all in the next devlog.